So all you need is some coconut oil, a lemon, and some sugar, but you can actually make it into any scent you want. Then you want to take any kind of container and fill it up with sugar, and you can fill it up as to how much you would like it to be. Then you want to take your lemon and grate that so that you're using the lemon zest in your scrub. And you can also use the amount that you would like. I used 1 lemon for this scrub, but to get the real lemon scent, you can use more lemons. And again, you can actually choose whatever scent you would like. So you could use cocoa powder for a chocolate scent. And then you just want to lightly just mix it all up so that the zest just goes through the entire scrub. Then you would want to take your coconut oil, and I would advise you to melt the coconut oil until it's entirely liquid, but I just scooped it out like this because it was quite hot in my house. So then you just want to put it all in there and then just mix it all together. And to be honest, it all depends how you want the mixture to be. So you could add more or less coconut oil, but you can also add olive oil or any other kind of oil as you prefer. And after mixing everything all together, you're all done, and the scrub leaves your hands extremely soft, and it's just the best. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!